Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Johnson Bank account on your mobile device. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account for Johnson Bank right from your mobile device, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser in order to start. Right in the search box at the top of the screen, type in www.johnsonfinancialgroup.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this home page. Now tap on the login button in the upper right hand corner and you'll be able to see an expanded menu appearing. Select your account type from the top, whether it's personal, business, commercial, and institutional, and enter your login details. Start by entering your user ID into the user ID text box. Now, head over to the password field and type in your correct password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, then you can tap on this Remember My ID box. But remember to uncheck this box if you are signing in with a public device or a shared computer. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can tap on this Unlock/Forgot User ID link. In case you don't remember your password, you can tap on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in all of the information correct, simply tap on the Login button and you'll be logged into your online banking account for Johnson Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.